If this summer you're planning on getting a new in-ground pool, you'll want to know these important factors before getting started. Hi, I'm Lana, Technical Specialist at GoliathTech. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channels for more interesting tips and tidbits. When a contractor builds an in-ground cement pool, the first step is to have the ground excavated by an expert that will shape the pool with his excavator bucket. This expert, while excavating the ground, will be looking at the consistency of the soil. If the soil conditions seem soft or crumbling, this raises a flag that the ground won't be strong enough to hold the concrete. The excavating contractor will then call the GoliathTech pile expert to install helical piles in the areas he needs to ensure maximum stability of the pool. This process is extremely important to ensure that the weak soil is identified before the pouring of the concrete to avoid that your pool cracks over time, because nobody likes a leaky pool. In some areas where the soil conditions are known to be less than ideal, the concrete in-ground pools are usually pre-engineered with the helical piles generally already included in the engineered drawings. In areas where there is a high water table, helical piles are then used to anchor and hold down the pool. Pool pops have been known to happen after the pool was drained. Think about trying to push an empty plastic container to the bottom of a sink filled with water. The plastic container will always be looking to pop back up, unless it's filled with water. Some people have asked us, does adding helical piles to my pool increase the overall cost of my project? The answer is yes, but costs associated to pool repairs due to cracking or leaking far exceeds the cost of helical piles and saves you a bunch of headaches down the line. So if you're thinking of getting a new in-ground pool, think of us. We'd love to help. Thanks for listening, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.